First button. I've got patience, boys. Get your mom to give you patience. So. That's the button. That's the button. Okay, press. Press. It's cool. Well, you gotta get grip on it. That's it. Hard to hold it. See? 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 And see? There. See? That's the button. That's it. See? Oh, you did it. You did it.
Hey, now you tried it. Good job, Gavin. Like a little pricey thing. Yeah, he's all proud. That's cute. Okay, Gavin, are you ready to put on your shoes? You've got your little shoes. These are so cute. You need to dry them.
What the hell do you think you're doing, son? Well, you know, you're getting all carried away now.
It took the battery out. How does he manage to do that? First of all, melt right. Ooh, he's tired.
I'm coming over, boy.
Okay, are we ready to go or what? I'm going to sit here and play with this all afternoon. Let's go. Wait, I got my keys. Okay. Oh, now it's hooked on this.
Yeah, this button right here, buddy. Press button. Press button. Press button. Press button. Press button. Look at me like, you know, get lost. Boy.
That's cute. Gavin, you're so sweet. Dada. 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 Dada.